News, the Maturiebe States.
Here in Lagos, the medical director of the Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital says the year 2023 witnessed a 100% increase in patients' admission. He presented his annual report today in Lagos. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo reports.
It is often said that there is a very thin line between sanity and insanity. For this reason, doctors advise that people be mindful of how they approach their challenges. The need for strict adherence to this advice is fully playing out itself at the Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital, Yaba, where the medical director speaks of a challenging situation in the influx of patients seeking admission in the 535-bed capacity hospital already full.
Our statistics in the hospital shows that the number of cases admitted during year 2023 increased by 100%. Also, the number of new cases seen in the hospital increased by 7%. And out of this increased number of new cases, drug abuse accounts for more than 10% of it.
From the psychiatric hospital, I headed for the University of Lagos, where an adjunct lecturer and mental health psychologist, Dr. Dare Adelusi, spoke of some coping mechanisms for pressure and anxiety.
The emotional reaction to this present situation and the way we think about it leads to anxiety or depression. So resilience is very important. We need to acquire the power of resilience. That is, no matter the situation, we get out of it.
Out on the streets, the people speak of intimidating challenges they believe more government commitments can solve better.
A bag of rice now is more than someone's salary. You cannot buy one bag of rice. Transport, you cannot travel.
House rent is increasing.
Government should get down and address those key areas,
most especially the electricity in the country.
As the government of the day tries to find solutions to the problems being enumerated by Nigerians, mental health psychologists say persons who find themselves in the circle of challenges should always remember that those challenges will ease off in time, and they are also not alone in them, so as not to fall into mental depression. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.
More perspective on the development. The consultant addiction psychiatrist Olajumoke Koijo joins me on the news. Thank you for joining us on TVC News at 10. 100% increase in patient admission. How do you react to that? Is it that we are becoming more aware of mental health, or are there other reasons?
Thank you very much, and thank you for inviting me. Well, 100% increase can be interpreted as something orthodox psychiatrists should be happy about, because number one, for us in Yaba psychiatry, it's an increase in efficiency. That means our patients are getting well, we're discharging them, we are admitting more people, there are better medications. And also the stigma about mental health is reducing, people are assessing health. So these are the, also there are some other hospitals in Lagos State that are being renovated to have an improved healthcare service provision. So this could actually explain the increase of influx of patients to Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital Yaba. So, and when more people come to Psychiatric Hospital Yaba, that means less people are going to the quacks. So for us as mental health practitioners, this is something that, yes, the awareness is increasing, the stigma is reducing, and our efficiency in Yaba psychiatry has increased. That's why people are coming to the hospital.
And what is your yes? And what is your advice to people out there as to maintaining their mental health?
Well, to maintain mental health, I'm an addiction psychiatrist, and I will tell you that the use of psychoactive substances has increased tremendously over the years, and it's important that people stay clear of these things. people should find better means of relaxation. We should eat right, we should sleep well. These are basic things that's just important. And when challenges come, our interpretation of challenges should improve. Our decision-making skills should increase, should improve. These are ways to cope. Mental health is a state of being able to cope with stress of life, realize our abilities, learn well, work well, and make our own contributions to the community. So things that we do these days are not helping our mental health, and it's important. We should learn to sleep well. We should learn to avoid at all costs psychoactive substances, and this will help improve our mental health. These are the things we should do.
All right, then. You have said it. Consultant addiction psychiatrist Olajumoke Kwijo, thank you so much for talking to us on TVC News at 10.
Thank you very much.
Moving on to